Hi, second graders. Mrs. Ishams here. We are going to start with our first math lesson. This is 13.1 on your magazine. So first we're going to start off with our regular video, and then we're going to do the front page of our magazine together. So as of right now, we're just going to watch the video and join with me. So if I say this word, please say this word out loud too, okay? Awesome, let's go. Words to know. Ready? Penny.
Penny.
Say it. Penny. Nickel.
Nickel.
Say it. Nickel. Dime.
Dime.
Dime. Coins.
Coins.
Coins. Cent symbol.
Cent symbol.
Awesome. Today we're going to be working with pennies, nickels, dimes, the coins, and the cent symbol. Who knows how much a penny is worth? 1 cent. A nickel is worth how much? 5 cents. And a dime is worth how much? 10 cents. Awesome. Let's move on.
This is a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. This is a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. This is a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents.
So we know a dime is worth 10 cents, a nickel is worth 5 cents, and a penny is worth 1 cent.
This is a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents.
We also know that a quarter is worth 25 cents.
This is a half dollar. A half dollar is worth 50 cents.
And a half dollar is worth 50 cents.
What coins are shown?
Can you tell me what coins are shown? What is this coin? It's a half dollar. How about this coin? A quarter. This coin. A dime. This coin. A nickel. And last but not least, this coin. A penny.
There is 1 half dollar, 1 quarter, 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 1 penny. What is the total amount shown by these coins?
Ooh, total amount. So total amount, what does that mean that we need to do? Should we add them all together to get the total? Put them all together.
Count on to find the total amount of these coins.
So we're going to count on. Mrs. Isham really likes to do the biggest value coin first. Now, biggest value. Value means the coin that is worth the most or the greatest amount of money. That's easier to start with the biggest and then count on the smaller coins. Now, I'm not saying the size smaller, I'm talking about the value smaller coins. So we put the half dollar first because that is worth 50 cents. Next comes the quarter, and that's worth 25 cents. Then the next coin that is going smaller is a dime with 10 cents. The next coin that is worth less money is a nickel worth 5 cents, and then we have a penny. So we're going to count on with the greatest value.
The total amount is 91 cents. The cent sign is...
So let's go back. We have a half dollar, so we go 50 cents. Now we're going to do 50 cents plus a quarter is 50 plus 25. 50 plus 25 is 75. Now we're going to take this whole value here. We're going to do 75 cents plus a dime. Now we need to know that a dime is worth 10 cents. So 75 plus 10 cents is 85 cents. Now we're going to take this whole value all together, this total value, and we're going to add on a nickel. A nickel is worth, we have to know, is 5 cents. So 85 plus 5 cents. If we need to count on, we can hold 85 and count on. So maybe let's try that. 85 and add on 5 cents. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90 cents. Now this whole total value is 90 cents, but we still have to add on one more coin, which is a penny. And we know a penny is worth 1 cent. So 90 cents plus 1 cent is 91 cents. This total amount of coins is worth 91 cents. And then we need to make sure we have to put on the cent sign. If we don't put on the cent sign, we don't know what we're talking about. We could be talking about 91 puppies, 91 flowers. We have to have the cent sign to know that we are talking about money. So that was a short, sweet little video. We're going to now move on to our magazine. If you have your magazine, you can totally pull it up too, and we can do the front page together. That would be great. Throughout 2nd grade, we have already learned how to count by ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way to 100. We can count by 5s to 100 as well. And we can count by 10s. Well, now, today, we are going to learn to count in groups of coins. I want to ask you, when have you used coins to buy something? What have you bought with your money? If you want to tell me and put it in your little comments, that would be great. When was something you used money to buy? Now, we are going to start. Let me get my coins out here. I'm going to give you that. And one of these. Oh, no, not that one. Sorry. Hey, maybe, let's see. Is that better? Worse? Ah, that's better. Okay, we have this coin here. Who knows what that's called? Can someone shout out? Tell me what it is. It is a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. We have a nickel here. A nickel is worth how much? Who knows? 5 cents. And last but not least is, what is it? This is an easy one. It is a penny, and it is worth 1 cent. So whenever we are going to count coins, we need to make sure that they are in the greatest value. Now remember, value is how much the coin is, not the biggest or the size of the coin. So we know that a dime is worth 10 cents. That's the greatest value of coin we have here. So I'm going to do the dime. What comes next, the penny or the nickel? It is the nickel because it is worth 5 cents. And then next we have the penny. So we're going to count on. I have the dime, and we're going to start off with 10 cents. Now we are going to add on a nickel. We know a nickel is worth 5 cents. So I'm going to pretend 10 plus 5 cents is how much? 10, hold 10 and count 5 on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Or you can know 10 plus 5 is 15. We have 15 cents here. But we're not done. We still have to add on a penny. We know a penny is worth 1 cent. So we're going to do 15 cents plus 1 penny of 1 cent. How much do we have now? We have 16 cents. Oh, what is Mrs. Isham doing? There we go, 16 cents. So number 1, we have 16 cents. And don't forget, they've done it for you. But make sure you always put the cent sign if we're talking about money. Let's try another one. Let me look at my coins here. Oh, we could also fill this out here. A dime is worth how much? 10 cents. A nickel is worth how much? 5 cents. And a penny is worth 1 cent. There we go. Okay, let's try the next one. We're gonna do, how about these coins. We have a dime, 2 nickels, and 2 pennies. Which is the greatest value? A dime. So we're going to put that one first. Then the 2 nickels need to come next because they're worth 5 cents, and the pennies come last. So let's count on. So we start with 10 cents. And then we need to add on a nickel. How much is a nickel worth again? 5 cents. So 10 cents plus 5 cents is 15 cents. 15 cents plus how much is this worth? It's a nickel. 5 cents. So 15 plus 5 cents. That's if you can't do that. If you can't count 5 fives, you can always hold it and count 5 more. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 cents. Then we need to do 20 cents plus 1 cent. 20 plus 1 is 21. And then we have our last penny here, and we know that's worth 1 cent. 21 cents plus 1 cent is 22 cents. What is the total value of coins here? We just counted. Can you tell me? You're right, 22 cents. Awesome job. Okay, I'm going just to do the number 1s and 2s. Let's take a look at the inside of our magazine. So you are going to count on. So you're going to have to look at each coin value and count on. So you're going to have to do 25 here, and the next coin is a quarter. It's not, that coin is not worth 50 cents. It's worth 25 cents. So we need to know 25 plus 25 is 50. Now we have to take this 50 cents and add it to this coin here. This is a what? If you can't figure it out, look at the top. This is a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. So 50 cents plus 5 cents is 55 cents. Then we take this whole value and we're going to add it to the next coin. The next coin is the same as this one. It's a nickel worth 5 cents. So 55 cents plus 5 cents is 60 cents. Then we're going to take this whole value of coins and we're going to add it to one more coin, which is a penny, and that is worth 1 cent. We have 61 cents. That is the total amount. Don't forget your cent sign. Awesome. I'm going to leave you guys to do the rest of your magazine. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact one of your teachers or whoever is on their office hours duties. We would be more than happy to help you guys. We definitely miss you, and good luck on your math today. See you later. Bye.